Hello everyone, okaeri nasai. This is Chiara from Japanese LTL classes. Today we will learn the basics of kanji, Chinese characters. As I think you already know, Japanese is composed basically by three alphabets. We have hiragana, the standard Japanese alphabet, katakana, the writing system used to transcript words with non-Japanese origin, and kanji, the character system originally from China. Kanji are the most useful writing in Japanese, which means that unfortunately you will not get very far with just hiragana and katakana. I know kanji are difficult to memorize and to write, but once you start learning them, I can assure you that your Japanese will really step up. First thing you need to know is that kanji, differently from hiragana and katakana, is not a syllabary, which means that characters do not necessarily represent a phoneme or a particular sound, but instead each kanji represents an idea or a concept. Okay, let's see a couple of examples. This is the character for man, not meaning a male, just man. Person. It's very generic. We will talk about the kanji reading later. So now that you know the meaning, if you look closer at it, doesn't it look like an actual person walking? I personally see two legs, and I can also try to imagine a small head at the top of it, and it's a person. Here another example. This kanji means tree or wood. And if you analyze it, doesn't it look like a small trunk with the branches? It really looks like a tree to me. My advice to you, or at least something that really helped me to study kanji, is to try to associate each kanji with a real life image perspective, or just with a figure that might help you to remember the action. Visualization really helps you. You have to try to be a little bit creative and associate the kanji. Here is the second thing you need to know. Each character has a different reading according to its combination with another kanji. Yes, I know. So each character usually has two readings. The onyomi, meaning sound reading, and the kunyomi, meaning the meaning reading. The onyomi tends to mimic the original Chinese pronunciation of the characters, while the kunyomi is the native Japanese sound. Here is a trick to make your life simple. Onyomi is normally used in kanji compounds, meaning words made from two or more kanji. Kunyomi is used for single kanji words. Of course, there are exceptions, but just for now, try to remember this. It will help you a lot. Let's take, for example, the kanji I showed you before. This kanji means person, and its kuyomi is hito. This is the main reading when you find this kanji by itself, hito. Its onyomi is jin or nin, according to the consonant or vowel that comes before that. This is the reading you use when, indeed, this kanji is combined with another word. Let's see, for example, America Jin. Here we have a combination of katakana and kanji. In this case, you don't read this hito, America hito. You read it America Jin. It just means American person, an American. Let's see an example of this combined with another kanji. This word means Nihonjin. Nihonjin. It means Japanese person, a Japanese. The first two kanji, Nihon, means Japan. Jin means person. So, wrapping up, how do we read this sentence? Here we have the kanji repeated two times, but yes, according to this combination, we have two different readings. This sentence will be, あの人はイタリア人です. Hope it's clear. As someone who lived this, I know that going through kanjis is probably one of the hardest challenges if you're beginning to study the language. But my suggestion is try being curious about them. Keep reading them, keep trying to associate an image with the kanji, keep wondering about each kanji meaning. You will see. You'll learn how to love them and it will come natural for you to recognize them. And this is it for today. As always, I hope you found this video useful and I will see you soon with other Japanese classes for LTL classes. Thank you very much. Ja ne, mata ne.